after a long time, and this vlog is about a trip to Puri, and we have visited as much places as we could, and I'll share every videos and photos. Keep watching, and okay, let's start. So we have actually reached in our hotel in Puri, and you can see this is the in front lawn of the rooms, and we are just about to get inside the room. So here we will be outside after some time. We will go to the beach and show you the scenery there. So keep watching and be with us. Actually, we are going for beach, as you can see. ऐसा रेस्टोरेंट है जहाँ पे कोई है ही नहीं, रिसेप्शन में भूत बैठते हैं. It is the second day of our tour, and we are going to sightseeing. First we will go to Konak Sun Temple, and then we will go to other places. We will show you every videos and photos. Keep watching and be with us. Thank you. So we are at the Konak Temple, as you can see here, and let me show you the Konak Temple here. Can you see this? We are going to Dholi Stoop right now. We'll show this place. Everyone is with us, but Ronita is actually taking rest in the car, so he is not with us right now. Okay, we'll keep sharing the views. Hello, this is our third day, first visit to Udayagiri and Khandagiri cave. We will show you the views there. We have just arrived in the place, and now we have parked our car and we are walking towards Udayagiri and Khandagiri. wait and watch. We'll show you the photos and videos. Be with us and keep watching. So this is the Khondogiri cave. We are actually approaching to the upward. You can see the caves here actually. And as they didn't allow the vlogging camera inside, so this clip is being recorded in a mobile. Sorry for the glitches if there is any. That is the Udaygiri, and that we are inside Khondogiri right now. So we are here in the compound of Nandankanan Zoological Park, and we are just about to enter. After entering, we will show you some clips if camera is allowed. If not, we will get some clips to the mobile. So keep watching us, be with us. Hello guys, now we're in the cart. Actually we will see the every stops and every animal in this area. And when you are booking a cart, please don't be fooled by the local guides. Just go to the counter and directly ask to them if you have any doubts and book your cart and enjoy. Be with us and keep watching. We'll show you every places. We stop here. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like, please give a thumbs up and please comment below which part you like the most, and if you have an opinion you can also comment below, and please subscribe if you still not subscribed. Make the family 1K, and one tutorial about art will come very soon. The next vlog is about Simla, that is also coming soon. Okay, we will meet you in the next video. Bye.